Hello, this is Fumichika. I'm a customer support from OpenLM. Today, I would like to talk about the identity service and then a new agent. First of all, you can run the MSI file. We have the new agent setup. If you run it, you will be asked to import the authorization file for identity service, or you can ignore the authorization file. But if you ignore, and then after that, if you install identity service, and then agent will not be in the security mode. I mean, identity service was installed after the agent was installed, ignoring authorization file. It means like an agent doesn't start up in a security mode, so you have to change some settings. You have to go to the agent and then agent installation folder, and then of course, that you have to replace the agent authorization file, as I explained before. Uh, Please wait. Like system and security authorization, you have to add the agent, and then you have to download the client ID and the secret key JSON file from here, and then you can replace it in here. But also, you have to set the security mode on manually. Settings, settings JSON file. Here, you have the security parameter enabled. You have to set it to true for identity service security mode if you are using. So please be careful. And then this goes to the end user service as well. So end user service installation folder, settings, and then security enabled should be true. This is the end of the explanation of identity service security mode and the agent. From the installation, if you can import the authorization file, you don't have to worry about these settings. And then if you go to the document, new agent document, end user service and agent installation and configuration, this document, you will see the silent script like this, with authorization file, without authorization file, additional parameters. So you can utilize this silent script. Thank you very much. Bye now.